Incredibly located only 1 block from Kits Beach, Kits Pool, and amazing restaurants and cafes. Welcome home to Penthouse 3, 2125 York Avenue. This 2-level penthouse loft at York Gardens is truly special. The living room features 17-foot ceilings, custom cabinetry for your entertainment center, and double glass sliding doors that lead to a south-facing patio. Showcasing a functional open floor plan that is filled with natural light from 3 skylights, complemented by beautiful wood flooring, original cedar ceilings, and a stylish kitchen and bathroom renovation. The spiral staircase takes you to a spacious and airy master bedroom, which includes a 4-packs wardrobe system and blackout curtains for a restful sleep. The suite is complete with in-suite laundry, in-suite storage, secured parking, and a storage locker. Your pets are welcome too.